Alright, got my power probe hooked to it. See? I am pulling. So I got my power probe hooked to the ground. So let's turn on the key. May? Will it work? Yeah, it's got ground. Okay. I'll supply 12 volts too. Okay. We're gonna figure this out. Alright, got it hooked up to my work test bench. Okay. You should only need power and ground to fire this thing up. Because there's ground. And 2 wires I twisted together. Yeah, accessory and battery positive. Here's the doorknob. Oh, press the center button. Yeah, center button is power. Okay. Okay. Just checking it out, guys. You guys see. Cool. You just saw that. Nice. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Chill. Nice. There. AVN SD card. Yeah, we were just in settings. Okay. Yeah, camera ain't on. Not bad. Different, but not bad. Alright. If I had a DVD out, I would test that too. Can adjust everything. Cool. Neat, neat, neat. Very responsive. To be honest. Okay, cool. Alright, catch you guys later then. We'll actually go in the house. Hey guys, this is gonna be a separate video. If anybody has this interface by Metro from Walmart, this is the WMGM11 SWC. Be aware, this is under a different name, a different number. It'd be on the title screen of the video, by the way, blah blah blah. I don't remember what it is, but this Walmart kit sucks. I mean, straight up sucks. So you go under the second name on the description of this video, tells you what it is. Go under there for the proper way to wire this connection in. This sucks, it don't tell you. But I'll tell you right now. Speakers to speakers, it tells you right on the wires. Okay, blah 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 blah. Alright. Illumination. There's 3 oranges. But there's only 2 solid oranges that says illumination. Now, one will go to the factory harness on the truck, and the other one will go to the module. Now, I was playing around. I think the one I have is hooked to the truck. I think the orange wire I have is hooked to the truck. I don't know. But I was playing around. I kept on playing with the 2. Do not hook them together. You do not have to do that. So, you have to play around with which illumination works. Which kind of sucks. There is blue ones here. It's actually... yeah. There's 3 blues. One is a vehicle speed sense. One of these blues is vehicle speed sense. The other 2 wires are amp turn-ons. You don't need them. Orange one is not used, which I need to cut that tip off, which I don't have my side cutters in here. I had to cut that off. There's an orange, there's a green one here that don't be used. I already told you guys about all the speaker wires, illumination. Yeah. And there is a reverse trigger wire on this harness. Is a green with violet. Oh, my bad. The only, this other green here is your vehicle's speed sense. Don't worry about that wire. I'm not too sure what the other blue is for. But anyways, that's your reverse trigger wire. If you can't tell how I have it wired. And the other ones are ground, battery positive, and switch key positive. So yeah, just for you guys to know. And with vehicles without steering wheel controls, you need this pigtail plugged in like that. So just a little FYI for you guys. So yeah, be aware, the Walmart kit sucks. It doesn't give you the information that you need to be able to put this harness together. So hopefully this helps. Catch you guys later. Well, it's cracking, guys. So further ado, let's just say off camera I've been busy. I've been trying to figure out this harness, but I got it figured out. So I wasn't going to solder them, but I did it anyway. So yeah. And if you guys can tell, my reverse trigger wire, I did that so I can do a quick connect. And on top of that, I moved the fuse inside the truck onto this line. I already ran the line. So yeah, this quick connect, we can just disconnect it and reconnect it. Got a fuse and everything. So yep, I figured you guys probably want to come along for this. So yeah, obviously I have 2 dead batteries. So what I was saying before I was rudely cut off by my other camera is that I don't remember what I was saying, but I finally got it, so it's all band-aid, so let's give it one good wrap. So, oh, yeah, I found the trigger wire for the reverse light. So this module does have it, so thank God, because I do not want to tap into that rear harness. Not after just have to repair it. I don't like tapping outside of the vehicle. Inside I have no problem tapping, but outside it ain't happening. God, this charger I put in Mom's truck is very fast charging. My phone was down to 20%. Wow, it's a pretty fast charge. So yeah. So further ado, I've already been testing this. I think this box is still programmed. If it don't program for you, hit the reset, and it should click right in. Just you guys seen so many of these videos of me installing these radios. I'm just so sick and tired of it. I know you guys are probably sick and tired of looking at it too. And this dual, I was going to tell you, this dual on the brake, this oil, purple wire for the brake, it's tied into the ground. It works. And video goes to your cam out, cam in, I mean. So further ado, let's see if we can cram all this in this truck. And you guys will find out why that's dropped in a few minutes. In a couple of seconds. Or minutes, whatever it takes me. Because this is a mother lover to get this antenna clicked in. Now, since you guys are on, that just fell right into place. Yeah, you guys, I'm going to keep you guys on from now on. That was easy. Nothing goes that easy for me. Oh, right there. Yeah, my light. You know, I should check and make darn sure that chime box is working. And that's not a good sign. I have nothing. Hmm. Did. Hmm. Alright, I'll figure this out then. I am dead in the water, guys. Wondering if I blew the fuse. Huh. Alright, be back in the field. Let me figure this out. Alright, guys. Obviously, I blew the fuse under the hood somehow. So let's put this back in here. Yeah. Let me double check something here. Yeah, green light, that's good. Let's see. Radio's turning on. That's even better. Okay. Shut her off. Chime's working. Okay. Alright, now let me band-aid those 3 wires that I pulled apart, or pulled tape off from. Could have been my fault. I probably didn't have them taped when I had that plugged in to there, and I popped the breaker. I could have done it myself. Could have been my fault. Yep, I could have done it when I was installing the radio just a few minutes ago. Okay. No, it's still working. Tuck that in. Oh, I know what I want to do. Sorry guys, I had to block you guys. Okay. Huh. Are you guys annoyed yet? I'm about ready to kill it. I liked it without that annoying thing. It was a whole lot better without that annoying chime. But it's my mom's truck, so she works a lot of hours. So it'll be better to have it than not have it. Kids, my mom goes see now and forgets her keys are in the truck. That chime's really useful. But it's also annoying. Okay. I do want to test something before. We wait for radio boat. Yep, there it is. I'm going to cut the blue wire because I don't want those lines. Huh. And right now, what you're seeing is dim for because the headlights are on. I can fix that really quick. Oh, and for some of you guys wondering, yes, the DVD player does work on this. Yeah, that's dim, that's bright. I'm not playing the sound, you guys just see the video. See, it does work. So I'm just going to go play with this radio for a while. So, catch you guys later then. Alright, peace out.